What's up? Can you hear me? Okay, you ready?
Yes.
You ready? I'm not that good, so.
No, I'm.
Don't know just what to say. Wait, let me just drink some water. You know just what to say. The things that scare me, I should just walk away. And I can't move my feet. The more that I know you, the more I want to. Inside me, it just changed. Yeah, hey, I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Don't need no butterflies, and you give me the whole damn zoo. By the way, you do things to my body. There you go. See, I wasn't that good. I'm sorry. Yo, it was the water. Come up to me. Wait, I gotta drink some water. Come up to meet you. Tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you. Tell you I need you, yeah. Nobody said it was easy, yeah. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy, yeah. There you go. Did you like that? Was that good? Yeah, you look amazing right now, by the way. Not gonna lie. I said you look amazing.
Thank you.
Here, just because you look amazing, let me sing you this song. Wait, what's your name?
Grace.
Grace, okay. Heaven only know where you've been, but I don't really need to know. I know where you're gonna go. On my heart where you rest in your hand, and you just look so beautiful. Grace, you are an angel, yeah. Now can I stop the flow of time? Can I swim in your divine? Cause I don't think you'd ever leave this place. Oh, and turn the lace down low. Yes, and now I'm feeling you beating slow. There you go. Was that good? That was for you.